guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me date night skincare slash makeup routine. Not makeup routine, but like a makeup tutorial. Shout out to BioClarity for sponsoring this video. This brand is a plant-based skincare brand. So the routine I'm using today is the Clear Skin Plus Zen. It has 4 products that are included in it. The reason why I'm using this one is because it's for oily, acne-prone skin, but it just helps with fighting bacteria, restoring the skin, and getting it to a place where it's not breaking out as much as you're used to. It's also great for normal to dry skin. Right now, I'm having a bit of dry skin. At the moment, my lips are really chapped. But I've been drinking a lot of water, so hopefully it kind of like restores that, but I've just been really dry lately. The first step is the cleanse step. This has cucumber, green tea, and chamomile in it, and you can use this morning or night. Right now it is about afternoon time, so I'm just going to take a little bit of that into my hand here. Then I'm going to wash my face for 60 seconds, just so the product can really get in there and do its job. I really like that cleanser because it's so like soft to the skin. It's not stripping or anything. It's very gentle on the skin, so I'm just gonna pat my face dry. Next step is the treat step, and this has 12% salicylic acid, oat, carnal, and it is an acne treatment gel. So I'm just going to put that onto any of the spots that I have. I have a couple pimples right here on close to my brow bone, which is kind of weird, but I have it right here. I have a couple over here. I am on my monthly visit, so I'm just getting a little bit of hormonal acne at the moment. Nothing too crazy, but this definitely helps. I'm just going to put like a pea size onto my fingertips, and I'm just going to take that, place it all over, but really just get in there. The next step I'll be using is the Zen. This is the Ultra Calming Serum. After I use the treat step, I'm going to use this one just to calm down any redness I have or calm down any problem areas I have. I just took 2 pumps of that. I'm just going to apply that to my skin. Try not to drag too much and being very gentle. And then the last step I'm going to use is the Restore step, Power of Green. This has Floralux. Floralux comes from chlorophyll, which is in plants, but this helps with getting rid of the redness in the skin. So if I have like any acne or anything like that, it's going to help just tone down that redness and also give me a nice glowy look to my skin. So I'm just going to take that. I would say take about 2 pumps, maybe 2.5 pumps. I didn't put too much, but and then just gently disperse that all over the skin. Try not to drag too much with it. So if you're interested in trying out BioClarity, they have 40% off all skincare routines, plus an extra 15% if you use my coupon code. It's Symphony, and I'll have that down in the description box below. So let's go ahead and get into my makeup routine.
So now jumping right in, I'm going to be using the Olay Mist to kind of just prep my skin. And then I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation, the new Fallible Foundation in 475 Sun Beige, and just kind of like massage that into my skin. And I really like this foundation, actually. It's actually pretty good. If you guys want to see like a drugstore foundation routine, just let me know in the comments down below. I would love to do one for you guys. I'm going to go in with the Milani concealer. This is the new concealer they just came out with. It is really good, guys. If you guys want to see a review on that, let me know. It's so bomb. I'm just going to conceal my under eyes, like, you know, places I usually conceal, my little routine I usually do. Going in with the Pro Glow foundation from L'Oreal in 212, I'm going to contour my face, and I'm just going to take a little bit of this foundation. I like using a foundation versus using a stick foundation because it just blends so much better. So I'm just going to take my beauty sponge and blend that in. Next, I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution setting powder. And I'm just going to set under my eyes and kind of like in certain areas where I just get the oiliest. I don't want to set my entire face with the powder, but this is my favorite powder because it is anti-flashback, which is amazing. Right now I'm going into my Hanging in Hawaii palette from BH Cosmetics, and to start off with, I'm going to be using the Shaka shade as my transition shade, and I'm just going to build up with that color first with my blending brush. Next, I'm going into the color Hibiscus, and I'm just going to be continuing to do the same thing, build that color. We're going for a pinky look today, so I'm just going to like continue to build on the outside and kind of above the crease. Next, I'm going in with the color Coconut, and like I said before, just continue to build. And last but not least, I'm going to go in with my concealer, and then I'm going to pack on Lee and Lee and Hibiscus, and I'm just going to pack that onto my lid, and we are done with that. Moving on to my face, I'm going to be using the Black Radiance palette in light medium, using both those shades. I think my brush had a little bit of too much product on it because it kind of like packed it in too much on my cheeks, but yeah, so don't judge me. I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose with that palette as well. Next, I'm going to go in with the Milani Bella Rosa blush. I kind of put too much again on my cheeks. We're just going to blend that out, and I really like this blush. It's so pretty. Next, I'm going to go in with the Milani Stellar Lights highlighter, and I'm going to use the middle shade in that highlighter kit. And yeah, I'm just going to highlight my face, and then I'm going to set my face with the Ciate Dewy Spritz, and then I'm going to line my lips with the Kim K Nude 2 pencil, and then I'm going to go over with that with my Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle. We're not going to do any falsies today. I'm just going to leave it very simple with a nice, clean, pretty look. I feel like you can never go wrong with a nice little suit. I have this bralette from Forever 21, and then the outfit is from Boohoo, and it's just a cute little set, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!